Fidelity versus Robinhood. Which is best for you? Hey guys, today we're going to know which is best for you between Fidelity versus Robinhood. Let's get right into it. Fidelity and Robinhood are fundamentally different in that Fidelity is a long-standing full-service financial brokerage firm, whereas Robinhood is a newer, app-based investment platform aimed at younger investors. Fidelity was founded in 1946 and has grown into a significant force in the online brokerage space, offering a diverse range of financial products and services for everyone from beginners to experts. Robinhood, which was founded in 2013, has distinguished itself as a disruptor in the traditional brokerage industry. However, it is important to note that Robinhood's overall offering falls short of that of traditional brokers, such as Fidelity. Although both Fidelity and Robinhood are popular choices for inexperienced investors and traders, we'll look at some of the key differences between the two brokers to help you decide which is best for you and your investment needs. When it comes to the look and feel of their platforms, Fidelity and Robinhood are worlds apart. The differences in products and services make a head-to-head comparison difficult. Fidelity is redesigning their entire website in order to improve on their vast legacy website. Fidelity's user experience is organized around a clean dashboard that contains the standard account information, such as summary, positions, balances, activity, orders, and documents. Customer service, opening an account, accounts and trade, planning and advice, news and research, and investment products are all available with a single click from the menu items. Robinhood is also very user-friendly, but it benefits from having fewer products and services to offer. Although designed as a mobile-first app, Robinhood's web portal may be more user-friendly for those seeking the most comprehensive experience. The main menu allows for quick access to all sections of the website, including Invest, Crypto, Cash Card, Learn, and Support. Robinhood recently added advanced charting, but it can't compete with Fidelity's downloadable trading platform, Active Trader Pro. Overall, Robinhood and Fidelity provide good usability, with the caveat that the feature depth of the two brokers is not comparable. Consider your desktop trading experience as well. The trading experience on Robinhood's web and mobile platforms is quick, easy, and efficient. Robinhood provides the functionality required for new investors to trade, but more experienced investors will find the trading platform lacking in key features and tools. Furthermore, no customization options are available on Robinhood's web platform. Fidelity's trading experience has a similar seamless workflow, but it is complemented by comprehensive tools and research. The platforms from Fidelity are highly customizable, allowing you to create personalized layouts, set trade defaults, set hotkeys, and so on. Fidelity's platforms also support trading from charts and placing basket trades, which Robinhood does not. Fidelity and Robinhood both provide adequate trading experience for new investors, but Fidelity outperforms Robinhood for intermediate and advanced investors. You should also consider the costs. Robinhood and Fidelity, like most investment platforms today, offer commission-free stock and ETF trading. Robinhood provides free cryptocurrency trading as well. Furthermore, neither broker charges account opening fees, account inactivity fees, or fees for domestic wire transfers. However, unlike Robinhood, Fidelity does not charge a fee to transfer your account off the platform. Margin trading necessitates a $5 per month Robinhood Gold subscription, which includes $1,000 in margin. Over $1,000 in margin usage, 9% interest is charged. Margin interest is 10.0575% for a $10,000 balance and 9.075% for a $100,000 balance at Fidelity. Both brokers profit from cash interest, margin interest, portfolio margin, and stock loan programs. Only Robinhood is compensated for order flow. To receive margin and other services, Robinhood requires a $5 per month Robinhood Gold account, whereas Fidelity's products and services are free. In most cases, Fidelity is less expensive than Robinhood. This is especially true when you consider the overall value Fidelity provides in terms of platform capabilities, which is one of the main reasons Fidelity was named Best Online Broker overall and Best Low-Cost Broker in 2022. You should also consider research facilities. Fidelity provides extensive research screeners for stocks, ETFs, fixed income, and options, as well as numerous third-party research reports. Users of Fidelity can access trade idea generators, charting, technical and fundamental data, and other tools. Fidelity's research offerings stand out even among its peers, putting Robinhood at a significant disadvantage. Robinhood's research offerings are limited, and asset screeners are unavailable. Morningstar stock research reports and NASDAQ Level 2 market data powered by NASDAQ Total View are available to Robinhood Gold users. Robinhood's charting capabilities have recently been enhanced, and it now includes more advanced charts and indicators such as moving averages, relative strength index, moving average convergence divergence, Bollinger Bands, and others. Traders will notice that this is the absolute minimum, but it is a significant improvement over Robinhood's previous charting. Fidelity research is extensive and will satisfy all but the most seasoned professional traders. Fidelity offers basic and advanced research screeners, charting, and external research to help average investors improve the quality of information that goes into their investing decisions. Fidelity wins the competition between those two brokers for everyone except the cryptocurrency investor. The breadth of Fidelity's products, support specialists, platforms including the full-featured Active Trader Pro, and educational resources make it an excellent choice for all investors, from novice to expert. Robinhood does the basics of stock, ETF, and options trading well, but it often feels like the bare minimum. However, the free cryptocurrency trading and upcoming Web3 wallet make Robinhood a contender in the crypto realm, and this is an area in which Fidelity does not currently play a direct role. Despite recent improvements to the Learn portal, new investors should learn about investing outside of the Robinhood website before committing large sums of money to the financial markets. Finally, Fidelity is a better choice than Robinhood for almost all investors, certainly for those who do not want direct cryptocurrency exposure. That's all for today. We'll be sure to catch you all in the next one.